Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. 7 simple home exercises to reduce belly fat. Number 1. Crunches. Lie on your back, lift your upper body toward your knees and lower down. Number 2. Plank. Hold a straight line from head to heels on your forearms for 30 to 60 seconds. Number 3. Bicycle crunches. Alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee while extending the other leg. Number 4. Mountain climbers. Quickly alternate bringing your knees to your chest in a push-up position. Number 5. Russian twists. Sit, twist your torso side to side with feet off the ground. Number 6. Leg raises. Lift your legs toward the ceiling while lying flat and lower them slowly. Number 7. Burpees. Squat, plank, push-up, jump up, and repeat. These exercises, paired with a balanced diet, can help reduce belly fat.